For the first time, China's annual tone-setting Central Economic Work Conference listed intensifying antitrust regulations and preventing the disorderly expansion of capital as a key task. Now, we know that capital by itself is neither good nor bad, but capital that expands blindly, unchecked, and without proper oversight can lead to monopolies and increase systemic risks. Toughening up antitrust regulations sends a strong signal by China to check and prevent companies, especially internet behemoths, from abusing their dominant market positions. The move aims to ensure that tech giants do not stifle competition and innovation, and aims to safeguard the interests and rights of consumers, merchants, and all participants operating in the internet economy ecosystem. And that's why China's regulators launched an antitrust investigation into Alibaba and held regulatory talks with Ant Group. Now, Alibaba, for its part, cooperated with regulators by providing the necessary information to aid the investigation in a timely manner. The group's CEO, Daniel Zhang, also saying that China's latest regulations on internet companies are both timely as well as necessary. But what's happening in China is not new. Regulators from all around the world are intensifying their scrutiny of big tech and reining in their anti-competitive practices. Google, for example, saw 3 antitrust lawsuits brought against it in the United States in a span of just 2 months as of December 2020. The EU already fining the search giant over $9 billion in terms of antitrust penalties. Now, Facebook was levied a record $5 billion fine back in 2019 for violating consumer privacy rights, and the EU has announced antitrust charges against Amazon back in November of 2020. Now, let's set the record straight. China recognizes the significant contributions that internet companies have made towards the country's development, and policymakers themselves have created an environment for tech companies to thrive. So let's be absolutely clear. These moves are not meant to dampen the development of China's tech industry, but to ensure the healthy and long-term development of China's digital economy under the rule of law.